Welcome to our Tequila Sunrise project here on Palm Beach Island.
We can't wait to show you around. Come on in.
Welcome to our Tequila Sunrise project. This home is a 1969 historic gut renovation. We were able to meet with the clients, find out all of their dreams and goals for this home, and we completed a full interior and exterior renovation. This is a historic home here on Palm Beach Island, and the original home was very dark and segmented. The first thing that we wanted to do was raise the ceilings to get some extra height and really open up the space so it becomes one large integrated living room, dining room, kitchen. So being here on Palm Beach Island, we wanted to keep it very light and bright. We gave this family, this large family, performance fabric, so don't be afraid of a white sofa. You can spill wine, blot it right up. We also got to do some gorgeous custom rugs. They're like art for the floor. It looks like a beach. There's lots of texture. One of my favorite features is this bold stripe with the fringe that comes off of the rug. It's so fun and playful and really adds that extra detail that we love here at HW. So these dear clients allowed us so many creative freedoms, which really allowed us to make the most of the design in this spectacular home. One of those freedoms was art. We commissioned this custom installation by a Mexican artist, Lucrecia Wagner. It's hand-done porcelain pieces. Each one is crafted by hand. It has so much detail, and we selected a variant of blues, again, to bring that ocean from the outside in. We feel like this installation is perfect for the space and just such a wow factor and handcrafted work of art.
So one of the things we're always trying to do is marry form and function together. The Samsung Frame TV is a perfect way to do that for us. The back box is built into the wall that hides all the guts and the cable boxes and all the things we don't want to see. It comes with an option of many different bezel covers, which can match the decor. Here we used a white one to kind of tie into the white paneling that we designed to bring this wall to life. And you can display art on it when you're not using it as a television, which is a really great feature, especially in a space like this when you have a bit of a formal feel and it's not always going to be used as a television. We are always looking for opportunities for hidden storage in every space that we design. In kitchens particularly, we always give some kind of added storage underneath the seated part of the island, whether it be touch latch, in this case it has integrated handles, but it gives you a very shallow depth, but it's perfect for things you don't need to access all the time. We also have our pull-out pantry storage, integrated cutting boards, and then of course we always panel our appliances. So here in this kitchen we have fridge on this side and freezer on that side.
In this kitchen, we chose a porcelain countertop as an alternative to a marble or a quartzite. It's heat resistant, it's antimicrobial. You can pretty much do anything to it and you're not gonna damage it. It's also gorgeous and it was the perfect shade of blue to tie this whole home and kitchen together. One of our favorite features, and all of us at HW are dying to do this in our own kitchens, is this gorgeous seamless backsplash. Visually, it's top tier, but it gets even better because you have all of your spices right at your fingertips. This hidden storage, and it's fully clad with the same porcelain. Honestly, doesn't get any better than that.
As always, we're featuring a Galley Sink in this kitchen, which is just the mother of all beautiful functional kitchen items, coming in sizes actually up to almost 7 feet long.
People often ask us from our photos why there are 2 faucets, and it's simply because it's really functional. When you can't have a prep sink, this becomes both, 2 in 1. You can cook with a friend, family, make cleanup fast and easy.
We really envision this family using it for daily use and cleanup, and also hosting a big party, whether it be a baked potato bar or taco station. This sink is just really perfect for entertaining.
Welcome to the primary suite of this gorgeous home. This primary suite is something super special. This couple is young and vibrant and very fashion forward. The room is black and white, but there's textures and layers, different materials in this space. One thing we knew was we wanted the headboard wall to be a showstopper, and it's a rift cut oak in a very, very dark carbon stain. It's the backdrop for this gorgeous custom bed, crisp bedding. We needed to fit a lot in this space, and again, it's a historic home, so it's not incredibly large, but I think we really achieved it. They've got integrated nightstands, gorgeous sconce lighting, and then they have a little opportunity for a sitting area where they can sit. They love to play card games. They can retreat with their drinks, escape from the kids, sit on the sofa, catch up, play some cards, and they can also watch TV. People are often afraid of wallpaper, but we always tell them, don't be. It's literally something that's temporary. It can be wallpapered over, it can be removed, but it's really something that adds so much bang for your buck. Imagine the space with plain white walls. It would not have the same impact. So this wallpaper is really fun and I think makes the space. It balances really well against the solid headboard wall. And this incredible rug, again, we're standing on what literally is art for the floor, but really edgy again with our black and white theme. So we love this primary bedroom and we hope you do too.
Off of our primary bedroom, we of course have our primary bath, which continues the monochromatic, edgy black and white theme. We have some inlaid marble mosaic on the wall. We have gorgeous slabs with integrated sinks. And of course, as Heather mentioned, it's a historic home. The spaces are not big, so we had to maximize storage, and we use our all-time favorite Robert medicine cabinets. They are not your mama's medicine cabinets or your grandmother's medicine cabinets. They are beautiful and functional, open with outlets inside, magnifying mirrors, all the bells and whistles.
Welcome to the Bunk Room. Again, this is one of our favorite spaces in the home. It's so fun and playful and feels like a breath of fresh air. Being a historic home, the ceilings were really low. So raising the ceilings almost an additional 2 feet was key, especially in this space. It allowed us to get 2 sets of bunks for their large family. So we also did not have a closet, and we were able to create a custom piece of cabinetry adjoining the 2 bunks. It works as a design feature, and it's also closet space for the kids staying in this bunk room. We also maximized space wherever we could. Underneath the bunks, we have touch latch drawers for extra toys or shoes. We've got a gorgeous grass cloth clad chest of drawers for all of their additional clothes, and the most fun, here comes the sun neon sign.
Bathrooms are an excellent opportunity to have some fun with design, particularly if you have clients like these who gave us a lot of creative freedom, which is exactly what we did in this children's bath off the bunk room.
This bathroom was the perfect place to break a few rules and step outside of the quintessential coastal Palm Beach aesthetic. While the bathroom feels edgy and cool with its black terrazzo and beautiful black reeded cabinetry, we gave it that punch of color with the focal wall in the shower in a beautiful blue, vibrant recycled glass tile, of course, with our fun phrase, surf naked. The guest suite is also super vibrant, and we've got gorgeous varying shades of green, a fun wallpaper, a fabulous art piece. Of course, our carpets were big lovers and fans of art also for the floor. In the guest bathroom, we wanted to create something bold and beautiful, but also very soothing, and we clad the shower walls in full slabs of a gorgeous onyx, and it is just truly a showstopper. We complemented it with matte white plumbing, and we think it's pushing the envelope again, outside of the box, cool, fresh, and super unique.
I'm sitting in the den in the banquette area, which is also combination breakfast table and family game night table. The den is just an additional space that we saw as an entertaining / family hangout space, but really wanted to give it a little bit more of a casual vibe than the formal living room, and also incorporate a ton of seating for the family to use however they saw fit. So we have this custom oversized banquette, again in performance fabric, so that you don't have to worry if the kids or the dogs are up here with you eating. These ombre chairs sort of round out the seating grouping and tie in with the ombre rug that is in the other part of the den that Heather's going to show you next.
So here I am in the other side of the den. It's a great space for hanging out, playing card games, everyone lounging together on the sofa around this really super unique wall unit we designed. There's so many opportunities for creativity in this home because they've allowed us so much freedom, and this wall unit is one that we enjoyed designing so much. We played on all of the different shades in the ombre rug and the fun pops of color. Again, being in Palm Beach, it's not your traditional Palm Beach. It's more young and hip and a little bit funky, but we really love it. It has so much storage. It hides the printer, it hides all of their games, and it's just like a piece of art.
This historical renovation really stretched our limits and required us to really get creative to make sure that we were bringing this 1969 historical home into this century in a really fun and unique new modern Palm Beach way.
We have so many incredible upcoming projects, so if you liked this home tour, make sure you click the link below, subscribe to our channel, and follow along to be the first to see all of the new updates and videos. We are so excited to share that this project has been featured in January 2025 edition of Luxe Magazine. If you want to read more and find out all of the great sources, artisans, and vendors that we utilize to bring this home to life, make sure to click the link below.